In this episode, we will reveal your long-standing curiosity. What is it really like to cook and eat on an aircraft carrier? Get ready. The journey is about to begin as we explore how an aircraft carrier systematically feeds thousands of sailors every day. Keep your eyes on the story. Being aboard a United States Navy aircraft carrier, such as the USS George H.W. Bush, is not only about carrying out intense military missions, it is also about surviving in a highly isolated floating city. Life here changes completely. Far from the bustle of city restaurants, sailors must rely on the precision and efficiency of an onboard galley that operates non-stop. Cooking in the middle of the ocean is a combination of high-level logistics management and culinary ingenuity. Thousands of crew members, all under high stress, require a constant supply of nutrition to ensure their combat readiness remains at the highest level. This massive feeding operation begins with an extensive workforce organization. A Quora user, Martin Beer, once shared his experience publicly. Learning from earlier ships such as the USS Saratoga, the U.S. Navy understood that the key to a successful galley lies in two things: capable equipment and a large number of personnel. On legendary ships like the Saratoga, the kitchen was equipped with 6 80-gallon steam-jacketed kettles, 2 massive 7-foot flat-top grills, dozens of convection ovens, and rows of deep fryers. With this monster equipment, producing food in enormous quantities is no longer impossible. However, no matter how powerful the machines are, they cannot function without people. This is where an assembly line system is implemented. Each galley shift is typically staffed by at least 6 cooks working in sync. Each person has a specific role. One might be responsible only for flipping meat on the grill, while another ensures that vegetables are cooked perfectly. With this detailed division of labor, meal preparation for thousands of people turns from chaos into a well-organized choreography. This hard work ensures that when 5,000 to 6,000 hungry sailors line up, their meals are already ready to be served. Preparing more than 17,000 meals every day is a staggering logistical challenge. This number is not merely a statistic, but a representation of the crew's energy and morale. To meet this demand, more than 100 chefs and culinary specialists are deployed, working in a 24-hour cycle. There is no downtime for the galley. When one group of sailors finishes dinner, another group that has just completed the night shift arrives for breakfast, or what is known as mid-rats. Let's talk about numbers that would make any supermarket manager's eyes widen. In just a single day, the grocery cost on an aircraft carrier ranges from $45,000 to $65,000. Imagine that in one cooking cycle alone, the galley must process 1,500 pounds of chicken to meet primary protein needs. If the menu for the day includes salad, then 350 pounds of lettuce must be ready to be chopped. Caffeine is also crucial. 20,000 cups of coffee are brewed every day to keep the crew alert, accompanied by 160 gallons of milk. Even for a simple breakfast, 30 large boxes of cereal can disappear in an instant. How do all these fresh ingredients survive at sea for months? The answer lies in advanced preservation technology. Aircraft carriers are equipped with refrigerated storage areas that resemble massive commercial warehouses. These spaces are protected from the intense heat generated by the ship's engines. Inside, fluorescent lights illuminate pallets of vegetables kept fresh by a highly stable central cooling system. One key technology is the use of ethylene filters, which absorb the gas that triggers ripening and spoilage in fruits and vegetables, significantly extending their shelf life. However, as the ship spends longer periods at sea and moves farther from ports, the availability of fresh ingredients naturally decreases. This is where the chef's expertise is tested, as they must transform canned or dried foods into meals that remain appealing and flavorful. If the United States wins through sheer mass scale, let's shift to the United Kingdom to see a different perspective aboard HMS Prince of Wales. In the Royal Navy, food is not seen merely as fuel for the body, but as a key tool for maintaining crew morale. There is an interesting principle on this ship. The meals served to senior officers and ordinary sailors are the same. This equality at the dining table creates a strong sense of brotherhood amid the harsh demands of life at sea. HMS Prince of Wales accommodates around 1,600 personnel. Although this is smaller than U.S. aircraft carriers, it still demands extremely high culinary standards. Its galley produces up to 8,000 meals per day. During high-alert conditions, the meal schedule can increase to 5 times a day, including 2 breakfast sittings, ensuring everyone has enough energy before duty. Variety is key. On a typical day, a sailor can choose from 20 to 25 different main dishes. Remarkably, senior kitchen staff have the flexibility to adjust the menu at short notice based on requests or preferences from sailors, a personal touch rarely found in large military organizations. Planning the supply chain for HMS Prince of Wales is carried out with extraordinary precision, with logistics planning beginning nearly a year before the ship actually sets sail. Every ingredient is calculated, every shift is scheduled, and every calorie is mapped out. In both the US and British fleets, one thing is certain: behind the sophistication of fighter jets and expensive radar systems, the success of a mission is often determined by what is cooked in the galley and how well fed the sailors operating them are. Keeping the kitchen running in the middle of the ocean is a battle of its own, one that is won every day by tireless cooks. Does anyone have experience in cooking and eating on an aircraft carrier? Or are you just curious about what the food tastes like on their menu? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.